VideoWrapper live demo and review. I'm going to show you how to pimp up a kind of ad for Facebook or Instagram or social media channels, whatever you want, which will definitely get more engagement, and you will see in a second why. So this is the basic material. This is the basic video we've got here. As you see, it's just a plain video, not really engagement, not with really engagement factors or so. Now let's pimp this up. It's actually for kind of client. So we launched a VideoWrapper to keep this video as short as possible. I already uploaded the video and the graphics, which means the header and footer text I made, so we can keep this a little bit shorter. So let's take the background. I will go for a black one because my header and footer will be like this coffee orange color stuff. So add this, go to the next one, and I already uploaded the video to save some time, which is this one. Let's add it and go here like that. So next one, and here's a tip. You can actually skip header and footer text direct to GIF and images, which is pretty awesome because the GIF and images are overlaid to the video and the header and footer text are behind the video. Okay, well, let me show you this. Let's go to the GIF section or image section, and I guess I already uploaded this as well. So as you see here, I did this graphics actually with cool text, which is open here, and you can easily create whatever you want, download it, and then upload it, and it will automatically fit in here. So we need the other one for the footer, which is please watch this. So bring it to the top. Exactly, and that's actually it. We are already done. Now you see, it took me 2 minutes, including the explanation, building the text. I mean, that's a 30-second thing, and upload a video is almost also not that hard. And I guess this is the part that takes most time, the rendering factor, but as long as you don't have to do anything, I guess it's great. So let's have a look. I already downloaded it. Again, that's the basic material we've got, and then what we made out of it right now is this one. So, and as you see, there's a big difference, right? There is a big difference between these two. Let me find this, maybe. There's a big difference between these two videos, just because the simple fact we wrapped this, and you actually have you speak direct to someone, do you own a coffee shop, and please watch this is actually kind of call to action, and all this is done in 2 minutes. If you have already a video, just go to cool text, make a header, make a footer, and push it out to social media, and let's have a look what happened. I mean, I bet everything I have based on results that this stuff here get more engagement with whatever you want to do. I mean, please leave a comment, whatever you write here, or please hit the button, or please get in contact, or whatever it will be. You can actually get more engagement and get more attention with a few clicks of your mouse. As you see, it's still rendering while I'm talking here. But I want to show you that this is the actual video you just watched. So let me talk a little bit about the cool stuff here. I mean, why I love this stuff is simple and plain, because my mom can do that, right? I'm not a big fan of iMovie and all these pro tools, which are great, but the simple fact that not anyone has time to learn that, not anyone wants to spend that much money to get these pro tools. This VideoWrapper stuff is definitely something I recommend to take in your portfolio if you have something to do with videos, marketing, selling, whatever, if it comes to online stuff. I mean, If you have a restaurant or so, you even can, I don't know, if you have incentives or it's Friday night and you give away 2 drinks for the price of one, you can easily just put that out, get 2 for 1. Uh, Show up, I don't know, but I hope that makes sense so far. And I personally love this stuff, and besides to use it for my things, you actually can sell this as a service as well. That's actually what I do here. And this is pretty awesome software. Makes it pretty easy. It works on desktop perfect, not that mobile friendly at the moment, but to be honest, I don't care about that much. As you see, now we have this video here. We can do a save preview, give it a name, coffee 2, save. Now we can download it. That's actually the thing you can direct post. Well, that's actually it. Thank you so much for your time, the 6 minutes. I wish it was helpful. Leave me a comment. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click the MS on the bottom right, and talk to you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.